Here's how you can make pakora corn dog.
Okay, this might be better than the Korean corn dog, and this has a good amount of spice in it too.
In a small bowl, mix milk, sugar, yeast, oil, and 1 egg. In another bowl, let's mix gram flour, also known as chickpea flour, baking powder, your yeast liquid, along with potato starch, buttermilk, some more gram flour, and some all-purpose flour until it gets quite thick. Then add chili powder, cumin seeds, and dried fenugreek leaves. Stab your sausage with a skewer and coat it with your thick batter, and deep fry at 350 until golden brown. Garnish with a sweet tamarind chutney, spicy mint chutney, lime juice, and a tangy chaat masala.
In Pakistani cuisine, pakora is basically when you fry something in gram flour, and I never thought about beef pakora, but this actually works quite well. So like you definitely do need the chutneys and the chaat masala and the lime juice. That just brings everything together. And traditionally with pakora, you wouldn't really have it alone. You always need to add something on top, whether it's chaat masala or at least dip into a chutney. It's okay on its own, but in my opinion, you need the condiments and the toppings and the garnish. I think I'm giving this an 8.9 out of 10. It's pretty good.